Hello my dear friends, welcome to learn SAP FICO. Friends, today we will continue the TDS configurations. In a previous video, we have completed till activate extended withholding tax. Now next step is define accounts for withholding tax to be paid over. Friends, in this step we assign the TDS payable GLs for income tax sections. Which GLs we have defined in my previous videos for a TDS payable GLs, like we have created 194C TDS payable GL. In this step we assign with the income tax section. So now go to SAP and do practical. Run the T code SPRO. Click on SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new, withholding tax, extended withholding tax, postings. Here first one, accounts for withholding tax. Execute this first one, define accounts for withholding tax to be paid over. Give your chart of account. Friends, here first of all, click on this rules. You need to set these rules as per your configurations, as per your client requirement. First of all, we need to set these rules. Like accounts are determined based on debit and credit. Select this. Then if you are maintaining the TDS withholding tax codes, or if you are maintaining the TDS as per withholding tax types, so you must click on as per your configuration. Here I am maintaining by debit and credit, and I want to maintain the TDS withholding tax type. By this method, I want to maintain the TDS. So select these, then click on accounts. Here, now you need to give this withholding tax type which you have created in a previous video. That one is IC for invoice posting and PC for payment posting. 194C invoice posting and 194C payment posting. Assign the debit and credit GL. Press F4 key. Here, you need to assign this 194C TDS payable GL with a debit or credit. Same as for a PC also, you need to assign the same GL for both the withholding tax type. Then, check the posting key also. Here, 40 for debit and 50 for credit. Then you can click on this save. Like this, you can define a accounts for withholding tax to be paid over. Now next step is remittance challan. What is remittance challan? Friends, remittance challan is a challan through which we deposit the income tax into the income tax department. When we create the remittance challan through SAP, then system create two documents. First is remittance challan document and second is FI transaction document. Here we need to maintain in both document type and document number range. So now in the next step we specify the document type for accounts payable. In this step we maintain the document type for a TDS payment transaction. We can use the standard document type as SA, or you can create a new document type under the T code OB-A7. As we have created new document type in my previous videos. So if you want to maintain the new document type, so you can create under the T code OB-A7. Here, this is the path to specify the document type. Now go to SAP and specify the document type. Now get back. Under this posting, click on this India remittance challan. Here first one, document type. Under document type, first one is specify document type accounts payable. Click on it. Then click on new entry. Give your company code and give your document type which you want to maintain. The TDS. I am giving standard document type SA. Then click on save. Friends, like this you can specify the document type for accounts payable. Next step is maintain number groups. Friends, we can make the TDS payment based upon the TIN number or income tax sections. If we want to keep the separate number range for remittance challan as per the TIN number and income tax section, then we need to create separate number groups in this step. So this is the path to maintain number groups. If you want to maintain the separate number group for your income tax section. If SPRO, SAP reference IMG, SAP financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new, withholding tax, standard withholding tax, posting, India, remittance challan. Here the second one, maintain number groups. Click on it. Then click on new entry. Give your company code, that is Tata. Section code. Friends, here I want to suggest a thing, that is you should maintain all these configuration steps before doing configuration. You should create one Excel sheet and maintain all these settings like this so that it is easy to mapping the TDS configuration. Like here you can maintain the invoice, payment, invoice sections, withholding tax type, withholding tax for a company or withholding tax for other than company, or without pen, or maintain number groups, number range or section codes. These all the settings we have defined in our configurations also. So like this you should maintain as well in a Excel sheet also. So here in my previous video we have defined the section code, that is TADL. If you have not remember or you didn't maintain it, so you can press it for F4 key, then you can find it, then select it TADL and give official key, that is 194C. Official key means section, income tax section. Here we need to maintain the number group. I am giving 30. Then click on save. Now get back. Next step is assign number range to a number groups. This number group which we have created now, here we have to assign the number range. Again go back to the SAP. Next step is assign number range to a number groups. Click on it. New entry. Give your number group that you have created now, that is 30, and give a number range. Internal number range I am giving 0, 1. Then click on save. And now next step is, after assigning this number range, we have to maintain the number range. In this step, we maintain the number range intervals for a remittance challan document number. Again go to SAP. Next step is maintain number range. Click on it. Here, first of all, we need to click on this group, edit groups. Then select your number group which we have created now. Then click on this create. Give your company code. Now here you need to give the group description. 194C number group. Now give the financial year 2020 and give your number range. I am giving 012 1999999. Then click on save. Now next step is, after maintaining this number range interval, even after maintenance of this above number range intervals, system will issue the error message during the time of remittance challan creation for a number range. To avoid that error message, SAP has provided the table option to maintain the number range. This is the table which we have to maintain to avoid this error. Go to SAP and create new session. Run the T code SM30. Here give a table J_1 I, E, W, T and U, M, G, R _N. Then maintain. Click on this maintain. New entry. Give your company code, section code that we have created in a previous video, EADL, official key 194C, and number group that we have maintained today 30. Then click on save. It has already exist. So friends, like this you can maintain this table also. So it will avoid all the errors and you can easily post the transaction. So friends, today your all TDS configuration is completed. In our next video, we will do the practical TDS invoice posting on a end user screen. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.